This video tutorial I will explain what are S3 event notifications. S3 event notifications are like alarms that go off when something specific happens to your files in S3. For example, if someone uploads new file to your S3 bucket, if someone deletes a file from S3 bucket, if someone copies a file to S3 bucket, when this action happen, S3 can send notification to let you or another system know about it. What is Amazon EventBridge? Amazon EventBridge is a service that helps you to connect different parts of your AWS applications. You can think of it as a postman that delivers messages from one place to another place. It can take events like S3 notifications and send them to other AWS services like Amazon SNS, AWS Lambda, AWS Step Function, etc., or even external app. Now we will see how this whole flow works. When a new file is uploaded to your S3 bucket, S3 creates a notification or event about this particular action. Then the event is sent to Amazon EventBridge. The EventBridge then trigger other services based on the event. For example, send email using Amazon SNS, start a workflow in AWS Step Functions, or run functions in AWS Lambda. Here you can see ROM bucket 12345. Click on this. Click on properties. Here you can see Amazon EventBridge. Click on edit. By default, send notifications to Amazon EventBridge for all events in this bucket is off. You can turn on and click on save changes. Click on this info. Here they have mentioned Amazon EventBridge is a serverless event bus which receives event from AWS services. You can either enable or disable events to be delivered to EventBridge for a particular bucket. If you enable delivery, all events are sent to EventBridge. Moreover, you can use EventBridge rules to route these events to additional targets. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.